For this combination, we're going to throw a jab cross, a lead elbow, a rear knee, a lead hook, a rear round kick. Coming back to our fight stance, we're going to finish the combo with the push kick just to keep them away from us. Ready? Let's go. Jab cross, lead elbow, rear knee, lead hook, rear round kick, push. Jab cross, elbow, knee, hook, kick, push. Keep going. Jab cross, elbow, knee, hook, kick, push. Jab cross, elbow, rear knee, lead hook, rear round kick, push. Jab cross, elbow, knee, hook, round kick, and push kick. Jab cross, elbow, knee, hook, round kick, and push kick. Boom. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, lead hook, rear round kick, check, rear cross, rear elbow, lead knee. One more time. Jab, lead hook, rear round kick, check, cross, rear elbow, lead knee. Ready? Let's go. Jab, hook, kick, check, cross, rear elbow, lead knee, or switch knee, okay? Again, 1, 3, kick, check, cross, elbow, knee. Keep going. 1, 3, kick, check, cross, elbow, knee. 1, 3, kick, check, cross, elbow, knee. One, 3, kick, check, 2, rear elbow, lead knee, jab, hook, kick, check, cross, rear elbow, lead knee. Time. For this combination, we're going to throw a jab, followed by a slip. We're going to come back into like a little shuffle, uppercut, hook. rear side round kick. Once that comes back, we're going to throw our rear knee into a push off the back leg, lead elbow. One more time, jab, slip, shuffle through, uppercut, hook, rear round kick, okay? Once this leg comes back, we're going to deliver that rear knee into a lead elbow. Ready? Let's go. One, slip, shuffle, uppercut, hook, kick, rear knee, push off that back foot, lead elbow. Again, one, slip, shuffle through, uppercut, hook, round kick, okay? Rear knee, push off, lead elbow. Keep going. Your jab, your slip, shuffle through, uppercut, hook, rear round kick, bring it back. Knee, push off that back foot, lead elbow. Messed it up. One more time. Jab, slip, uppercut, hook, knee, jab, 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 slip, uppercut, hook, kick, knee, elbow. For this combination, we're going to throw jab cross, a rear teep. Using that momentum of the teep coming back, we're going to throw a heavy lead hook into a rear elbow, step knee, okay? Once you get that knee, you can angle out or just get out of there, okay? One more time. Jab cross, rear teep kick. Using the momentum of this coming back, we're going to throw that hook, rear elbow, lead knee, okay? Once you get this lead knee, you can push off or go back to your fight stance and just angle, get out of there, okay? One more. Jab cross, push kick, hook, elbow, knee, and then just get out of there. One more time. Jab cross. All right. For this combination, we're going to throw jab cross, a rear push kick or teep kick. Using the momentum of the leg coming back, we're throwing this hook into an elbow, into a knee, okay? You can step, you can switch, your choice. But once you get this knee, you can just frame, get out of there, back up, okay? Ready? Let's go. Jab cross, push kick. Using that momentum, use that hook, the rear elbow, the knee, and then just get out of there, all right? Jab cross, push, hook, elbow, knee, and then get out of there. Jab cross, push, hook, elbow, knee. Jab cross, push, hook, elbow, knee. Keep going. Boom, boom, boom. For this combination, we're going to throw jab, parry jab, cross hook, rear round kick. Parry is like a hand block, okay? So you start with the jab, parry, jab back, cross, lead hook, rear round kick. Let's go. Jab, parry jab, cross hook, rear round kick. Keep going. Jab, parry jab, cross hook, round kick. You can break up the rhythm as you want, but keep the combination the same. Jab, parry, jab, cross, hook, round kick. 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 10 seconds. Time.